This video will show you how to use the accessibility supports in this course, which include closed captions and transcripts, accessible PDFs of infographics, and accessibility settings in assignments. When you start a video, view the closed captions by selecting the CC box in the bottom right corner. You can also select the cogwheel to adjust the playback speed and quality. Open the video in YouTube to view the transcript. Navigate to the three-dotted menu on the right side below the video and select Show Transcript. All images and infographics included in the course either have appropriate alternative text or have a link below them to an accessible PDF of the same graphic, which can be used with a screen reader. When completing assignments, you can access accessibility settings by clicking the accessibility icon at the top right of the assignment. You can modify accessibility settings for color scheme, which includes background and text colors, and font size. You can also view instructions on how to zoom in and out of your browser.